Ciao ragazzi, today I'm going to fix this little collapse here. It's next to the cabina. This is one of the ones I have repaired before and it's fallen down. You can see I was lazy and there's like a ski slope here. So let's go. So we redid the wall from this big stone up that little V. Sort of okay. I'm never happy with them, but yeah, everything's not moving. Got a bit of soil in on the olive up there. Even had a big stone left over to make half-assed set of stairs here. Although that's moving, I'll do that properly later. And I'm waiting for friends to arrive to help me with this one over here. This is the next one. So weed tree that can go, but that's a lot bigger stones and a lot more chaos here. So yep, but we'll get it done. All right, ciao for now. A dopo.